Okay everyone, welcome to another video on the Foxtecc YouTube channel. This time we talk about the zoom feature, how you can take it out of your iPhone, how to take the zoom feature out of it so you don't actually use it. Well, if you just open up the settings on your phone like this, for some reason I have it on the last page, but basically you can scroll down and go to the accessibility section, so click on accessibility, and there is a zoom feature. So if you have it turned on, you cannot see it right now on the screen, but when I show it to you like this, let me just enlarge it so I can show it to you. Right now my iPhone looks like this. It is completely zoomed in and it's just not unusable. So at this point, you can see that I'm just zoomed in entirely. So in this case, if this is what happened to you, what you can do is just to use 3 fingers and then double tap the screen like this and it's going to zoom it out. So this is one way to take the zoom out of your iPhone. So like make sure that it just goes away, right? But the next option to make sure that it never happens to you in the future is to simply disable it in the settings like this. So that is again in the settings, then you go and scroll down to the accessibility and you want to make sure that the zoom feature is turned off. So this is basically how it works. Besides that, there are also like different controllers and everything. Like you may get to this section where you just triple click with 3 fingers and you get like the zoom out, choose region and stuff, so you can play with that as well. But if you just turn off the zoom feature, you're just going to be done, and this is the absolutely easiest way to get the zoom out of your iPhone. However, it is not the only thing which you can mean by that, because there is the way to play around with the zoom in terms of the home screen and app layout. So as you are in here, what you can also do is to find the home screen and app library like this. And you can just play around with these things, obviously. But I want you to just go to the display and brightness. You can turn, for example, on the bold text. When you do it, everything just becomes larger and kind of zoomed in. So this is something that you can play with as well. But at the bottom, you also have the display zoom. And I have it set to default, or you can choose it to be in large text. When you go like this, everything just becomes larger. You can see including the icons, notifications, time, everything is just large and kind of zoomed in. So again, in this section you can switch to the default, hit it done, and you're going to be like zoomed out version. So this is also another way of taking the zoom out of your phone. So this is everything what I wanted to explain to you. Besides that, there's also one very important thing you should know about, and that is the Foxtecc educational platform, which you can join for free. It's going to be linked down below in the description. Definitely go ahead and join it. Many different courses available for free, constantly adding more. So yeah, thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you guys later in the next Foxtecc tutorial.